to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My skin has been going through it, you guys, since we've been in quarantine. So if you can tell, my skin is acting up. All right, I have a pimple right here. I have pimples right here. My skin is textured right now. My pores are just in your face, and this is not how my skin always used to be. All right, I love my nighttime skincare routine, but now I'm about to show you guys my morning skin routine featuring Fenty Skin. So what I'm going to do is come back probably in 30 days. I'm going to leave it in the comment section down below of this video to show you how this helped my skin. I am hoping that this brings my skin back to its glory, you guys, because my skin has been going through it. Not only because I have not been eating the healthiest things, but also I guess the stress of the quarantine and just life in general, you guys, has really taken a toll on my skin. So I want to fix it, and this is a quick 3-step process morning routine. So if you're interested in details about Fenty Skin and you want to see a demonstration, stay tuned. First, I'm starting out with the Total Cleanser. It's supposed to remove it all. It's a hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. All right, so I'm going to use this as my, and like I said before, I'm going to use it as my daytime, my morning skincare routine, because I have a nighttime skincare routine. So if you are interested on how I take off my makeup, I'm going to link it in the cards above. So this will be the step that I do before I put my makeup on. So you just twist it to open it. This smells amazing, you guys. It doesn't leave my face too dry. Actually, my face feels kind of plump. The next thing is the Fenty Skin Fat Water. Now, the Fat Water is described to be, it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. Okay, so it says use day or night, or day and night actually. You can use the daytime or the nighttime, and apply over clean skin. And so you use your fingers. So this is like a toner and a serum. So I need this. I have huge pores, you guys. So let's open it up. Now the fat water, the smell is not as strong as the cleanser. The cleanser is, ooh, the smell is really strong. It smells so good though. It really smells amazing. Now it leaves my skin a bit tacky. It's not drying at all. It just leaves it tacky. So the last step, you guys, in my morning skincare routine would be the Fenty Skin Moisturizer. So it's a refillable product, you guys. You twist it at the bottom, goes up and down. Okay, and this part in the inside is removable, so you can refill it with another one. Skin is still tacky. It helps to prevent sunburn. Okay, so it has SPF in it, which is great, which again is another reason why I would use it in the morning instead of at night, because typically this is what I would do before I put on my makeup. So it says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. She caught me by surprise. That's when I realized, oh. Now this feels amazing, you guys. It makes my skin feel so moist. Oh, it just feels so supple. And I like my skin to look really shiny, almost greasy. Just 3 steps in the morning, you guys, before you put on your makeup and before you are out the door. Skin feels amazing. It looks supple. And I'm hoping that this will help you guys, my skin, get back to its glory, get back to the way it was before quarantine. Alright, so if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye!